Have you been thinking about this question? We spend a lot of time and energy trying to figure out ourselves and others, thinking about why am I different from others, what's special about me, or who should be my teammate. To understand ourselves and others is a topic that has been so widely and frequently explored. One of the most popular ways to do this is the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI. MBTI identifies 16 distinctive personality types to help understand people's behavior. These types are a combination of choices on 4 binary categories, including extroversion versus introversion, sensing versus intuition, thinking versus feeling, and judging versus perceiving. So let's see Daenerys' preferences are extroversion, intuition, feeling, and judging. So she's an ENFJ. She's a natural leader. MBTI has been widely used in identifying career, team building, and interpersonal communication. Knowing users' personality could also improve their experience of interacting with products and achieve business success, such as the customized advertisements on Facebook or apps that matched you with friends or dates. However, people usually need psychological tests or counseling to understand their personalities, which is quite costly and takes forever to complete. Also, it's never easy to have a clear view of others' personality traits. Luckily, we talk, write, Twitter every day. The way people talk reflects the way they think. Previous studies showed a high correlation between personality identification and the language and text expressed by subjects. As a great way of decoding language, machine learning can be used to predict a person's MBTI type based on the text he or she posted. We use the MBTI personality type dataset from Mitchell J. on Kaggle. There are over 8,000 rows of data collected from the posts on Personality Cafe forum. We designed 3 experiments.
Experiment 1. Which algorithm is more accurate in making prediction? We hope to explore the performance of RNN, LSTM, and GRU, along with different nodes and the regularization method of dropout layers. The accuracy of the test dataset is like this. Comparing the performance of different hyperparameter and algorithms, the winner we found is LSTM plus dropout layer plus 256 node. The best performance we get from testing is 0.938. Experiment 2. Is sentiment feature from Azure helpful? Assuming that the positive-negative tone of a sentence might also be relevant to a person's personality. We expanded the feature of the original dataset by including a sentiment score analyzed by Azure Cognitive Service. We also chose the best performing model in the last experiment to compare prediction performance. The performance on the test dataset for including sentiment score is slightly worse than those without sentiment score. In this case, it is reasonable to conclude that the sentiment score of a sentence is an irrelevant component in predicting personality. Experiment 3. Can you predict my personality based on what I texted? To see whether the trained model can actually predict personality, we put together a small data set to see its prediction performance. We searched random type of MBTI personalities on Twitter to compose a small dataset with 16 rows of data. The prediction accuracy is 0. But if we review it, we found the accuracy rate of predicting different scales differed. For sensing and intuition, it has the highest accuracy rate of prediction, but it seems difficult for the algorithm to tell the difference between the judging and perceiving. Well, probably because people talk on Twitter and the personality forum differently. Social media might be an emotional catharsis channel for people, which caused a prediction deviation.
Although the result doesn't look good, still this is an interesting topic with further exploration. Imagine how it might improve people's experience of using AI products. Say you're extremely introverted. Probably you don't want to hear Echo say,
"I called your friends for your birthday party this weekend."
So next time you hope to understand yourself more, find some pieces of your writing and use this algorithm. You will receive quick and intuitive feedback of who you are.